I think I'm going to film this two ways. I'm going to film this new camera with my old one, and then I'll do the same thing with the other one, with the new one right here, and I will see if there's a difference. This new camera I bought, I'm getting back into my videos, so I bought a Canon HF G50. The thing is huge compared to the one I'm holding right now, the one that I've been using for making videos. It comes with a lens hood, which I guess is for weather. And what I should have bought is a bag with it. It should have come with a bag. For 1,100 bucks, it should have come with a camera bag. Well, what else I bought with it? This has got 2 batteries, which look like these right here, and a battery charger. I want to see if I can, I've got a mirror right here. I'm going to put this camera that I'm holding down to show you the difference in size, if I can get a reflection off of both of them. This will give you an idea of the difference in sizes between my old Canon camera, which I've filmed over 40 million views with my YouTube channel, compared to my new one, which is an absolute monster. I gotta, it's hard to do that. Anyway, this new Canon has a giant aperture on the front of it, lens. It also has, when you open this up, it has a little spot right here for not one SD card but 2, and there's one in there. I bought one. It's about 128K or whatever the hell that is, but you have an A and a B card, just more things that I can't figure out how to do. Come on. Okay, that's down right there. It's got a really nice battery on it. This is a lot larger than the one I'm holding. I'll see if I can, I don't know if I can get both of them in the shot. This is tricky as hell to do, especially without editing. But it's just a camera on steroids. Video camera. The one thing I've noticed about this Canon here that I'm going to be using for all my new videos is that it's a lot larger, and the small one I'm holding I can work with pretty easy. This one is going to be a little different because the weight different. And I want to thank a viewer out there by the name of Dark Soul, who kind of got me re-energized into making videos. So Clint, if you're out there, thank you. I'm going to make this video from this old camera, 12 years old, and then I'll do it with the new one right here, and we'll see if there's any difference in film quality.